Hello all dear friends, welcome to the BinaryOption channel. I'm with you by teaching an attractive and profitable trading strategy. In fact, we want to learn in this strategy how to get help from a good and powerful indicator for our trades. Stay with me until the end of this video. Well, because the trading time in this strategy is under 1 minute, you should only use it in the OTC market. Of course, you can also use this strategy in higher time frames. This strategy gives signals using a good, attractive and very powerful indicator. To trade with this strategy, we first need to add two indicators to the chart. The first indicator is the fractal chaos band indicator. This indicator draws support and resistance lines that can be useful to us. That is, whenever the indicator lines are horizontal, we probably have a level. The green lines are resistance and the red lines are a sign of support. We now have several support and resistance in this trend, which the indicator has found for us. Look here, even here and here. We want to trade with the support and resistance lines broken in this strategy. But you should pay attention to one important point, that our trades should be done in the direction of the trend. That is, if we have an uptrend, we should look for buy positions, and if we have a downtrend, we should look for sell positions. But we need another indicator. The next indicator is the stochastic oscillator indicator, which we will put on the chart. The setting of past indicators are on the default settings and we do not need to change these settings. The time frame of the candles is set to 15 seconds and the trading time is fixed at 30 seconds. That is, every time and place we enter a trade, our position will be closed 30 seconds later. But how should we trade with this strategy? For sell signals, when the red candles cross this support line of the indicator and about 50% of the candle's body closes below the support and the stochastic also touches or crosses the oversold line, we enter a sell position in the 30-second time frame. And whenever the resistance line of the indicator is broken by the green candles and the candle body closes outside the line, and the stochastic also touches or crosses the overbought range, we enter a buy position in the fixed 30-second time frame. This strategy is very simple. It has certain rules. We enter the trade using the breakdown of the support and resistance levels found by the indicator. Since our time frame is under 1 minute, we should use this strategy in the OTC market. I will try to make a few trades so that you can better learn the points of this strategy. Look here. When this candle crossed the lower line of the indicator and the stochastic also touched the 20 line, we could enter a sell trade. If you look, the green candle has crossed the upper level of the fractal, and also in the stochastic, the main lines have touched the upper line. That's why I entered a higher trade. We wait for the position to close. Okay. But in this position, the candle has rejected the round number level and the trend is going down. It would be better not to trade here, but we wait for it to close. If you look, we have an uptrend and the stochastic is in the overbought range. It's okay, we will compensate our trade in the next position, okay? Look here. The trend is down. The main lines of the stochastic have touched the lower line, so I entered two lower trades. If you look, we have an uptrend. The main lines of the stochastic have crossed the upper line of the indicator, so I entered two higher trades. We are waiting for the positions to be closed. If you look, the trend is uptrend. The main lines of the indicator have crossed the overbought line, so I entered two higher trades. Okay? Very good. If you look carefully, the uptrend is forming, of course. This is a weak candle, and weak candles are not good confirmations of the trend. But since the stochastic lines have crossed the overbought area, I enter to higher trades. Okay, our trading time was changed to 1 minute and we were not careful, but it's okay. We are waiting for the positions to be closed. If you look, we have a downtrend. The indicator lines have gone from overbought to oversold. So I enter two lower trades. Okay? Great. Okay, dear friends, in this strategy we learned how to use the fractal chaos band indicator and trade with it correctly, especially if our trades are in the direction of the trend. Also, if the stochastic lines are changing trend, that is, moving from oversold to overbought or from overbought to oversold. Be sure to practice the strategy on a demo account to master its tips and rules. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and send it to your friends. Do not forget that practicing and trading on a demo account is one of the most important ways to learn and achieve results and achieve success. Financial markets are not a game, and your main capital is your time. So, use your capital wisely. You are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.